Hello, Professor Robinson Copete. I wish you are very well. I am the student Simón Zambrano of the psychology career. I am from the group 900,002, 687. I am 31 years old. I am currently live in Envigado. My travel experience in San Andres Island. First of all, I want to say that this has been one of the best trips of my life. It was a ride that I enjoyed from beginning to end. I will not tire of remember it because it was a dream that came true and it will always remain in my memory. After planning the trip a few months ahead and saving enough money to pay for the trip, we went to the agency to buy the complete package. When we had the tickets in hand, we never imagined that we were going to have such a good time. Before the day of the trip arrived, sometimes I imagined what it was like to see the sea from a plane and what I would be like when I stepped on the beautiful island. The time I won was a very good time. Since the waiter was perfect and you could enjoy it to the fullest. Finally, after having conquered this great island, I can tell you that this is very good plan to enjoy with friends or family. Where it is not very expensive and you can enjoy a place that is simple, beautiful, where you can do many things like swimming, diving, wearing fish, touring the island on motorcycle or car. In short, so many things that will make the trip unforgettable. This is my travel experience. I hope you like it. Goodbye.